using chalk. Hey, it's such a versatile art material, isn't it? And I've come up with a great way of using it to create a magical, mystical art attack. First, the idea is to do a line drawing of a fairy on some dark paper. Now, blue or black is good. I've done this one using a silver pen, or you could use white pencil crayon. And if you're not too sure how to draw a fairy, you could always trace one from a book. Now, when you've done your fairy, it's time to work some magic, but not with a magic wand, with a piece of chalk. Watch this. Just use your chalk to carefully go around the outline of your fairy. Now try to keep to the outline and not go over the picture too much. Just follow your lines around like that. And it's a good idea to take some time doing this. Just all those little bits of detail. Now, okay, it doesn't look too much like fairy dust at the moment, but watch this. When you've chalked all the way around, to turn this chalk into fairy dust, just smudge it with your finger. And look at that, abracadabra. You get this lovely, magical, glowing quality. Just delicately smudge it. And around the wand. And to finish it off, you can add details like this swooshing of the wand. And again, just gently smudge it out. Try not to spoil your picture. And how about some fairy tracks? And again, get smudging. Gently does it. There it is. And you can even use your silver pen to dot on extra bits of glitter and sparkle just around the wand like that. And then maybe some at the base of her dress and around her hands there like that. A sort of fairy dust effect. Good, isn't it? A mystical fairy gently hovering through a magical kingdom. Ah. And you can use this technique to do other types of fairies too. How about using a different colour chalk or a different colour paper? And you don't have to stop at fairies. You could do other magical beings like this wizard. Brilliant, aren't they? Try it yourself. Wave your chalk wand and create some fairy dust. And don't forget, you can check out the website for fact sheets on this and all the other art attacks in the show. And I will see you here next time. Ta-ra.